All right, good afternoon. I am Kevin Arado with the Communications Department for the City of Fayetteville, and welcome to today's signing event with the Advanced Computer Learning Company. We are here with the city and the county who have partnered with the state to bring in some funds to help yet another corporation here in the city of Fayetteville as we move forward in expanding our great city. So with that, I will turn this over to Victor Sharp with Economic and Community Development, who can explain a little bit about what's going on here.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is another great day in the city of Fayetteville as we embark upon a partnership with our business community. Today is a ceremonial signing for the Advanced Computer Learning Center, whereby the city of Fayetteville and the county are partnering with them to provide job creation in our community. We're excited about with the owners being here today, Brad Chee, Karen Cox, and Jack Ziegler, who are the business owners and partners of the organization. What they're bringing to Fayetteville is exactly what we want to see in economic development. This partnership that we have, it is a partnership of a business community, our local governments, the city and the county, Fayetteville Technical Community College, as well as the Fayetteville Cumberland Economic and Community Development, Fayetteville Cumberland Economic Development Corporation. Perfect partnership in all of those entities that have some of the same missions of creating jobs in our community, making this community a better place. And what we'll do next is have words by our mayor, our county commissioner, Mr. Adams, and then the owners of the company.
Thank you, Mr. Sharp. Certainly today is a great day in Fayetteville as we continue in the spirit of creating jobs and improving our local economy. I'm glad to say through collaboration with our partners at the county, Commissioner Adams, as well as the other county commissioners, as well as the city council and the city staff, this is a great day in Fayetteville to create approximately 75 new jobs and average salaries of around $58,000. So as we continue to do it, we'd like to welcome this community and let you know that your local government is behind you.
On behalf of the Cumberland County Board of Commissioners and Larry Lancaster, who's the chairman, we want to welcome you to this county and know that anything you need, we're here. We think this is a partnership not only with the city, but it's a partnership with business. And I tell you, you're coming at a great time. This is just an exciting time of things that are happening in Cumberland County. I'd like to thank the Fayetteville Cumberland County Economic Board, the state of North Carolina. We were pleased to be able to provide matching funds to be able to have you all get here to this community. But it doesn't stop today, and it doesn't stop with those matching funds. Anything I think you need from either one of these entities, we're here and ready to provide that for you. So thank you so much. And for the citizens of Cumberland County, I tell you that the partnership does work, and we're moving this city and this community forward. Thank you.
Well, I'd like to thank the county and the city of Fayetteville for making this grant possible. Like Mayor said, it's all about creating jobs. We look forward to working with the city, and let's create jobs. Thank you.
Thank you. We'll have Lucius sign here, and the mayor signs.
So wonderful.
Good.